In order to perform a receive transaction for assets using the mobile scanner, you'll begin by simply tapping the receive icon that's located on the home screen of the scanner. Once the receive form has loaded, at that point you'll begin by scanning the location where you're receiving the new asset. Once you've scanned that location, you'll see here at the bottom of the scanner it will confirm that location. And then if you need to assign a custodian on this receive transaction, you can simply, again, scan the custodian. If for some reason you don't have the barcode for the custodian or you need to look it up, anytime you run into these blue underlined fields, you can also tap on any of these lines and then either perform a search for that specific person either by person code or maybe first or last name, or you can just click the search button in the lower right, and now you'll be able to scroll through a list of available people. Once you've selected the person that you need, hit the select button, and we can see here it's populated with their employee number as well as confirmed them down here in the section below. If you need to reference a purchase order on this transaction as well, you can reference that by either scanning in the purchase order if you've created that in Passport, or if you've created it in an outside system, you can key that information in, or again, tap on that blue line to look at a list of available purchase orders. Next, you'll scan the model that you're receiving in. Once you scan the model, at that point, you can assign an asset code, and that can be done by either scanning in a pre-printed barcode or by keying that information in on the receive transaction. Once you've assigned the asset code, at that point, you can assign a serial number to this if you'd like, and again, that can be done by either keying that in or scanning it in. And finally, once you scan the serial number, at that point, simply tap the save icon that's located on the lower right, and that will complete the transaction. You'll also notice that the location, custodian, and model fields have looped, so if you're bringing in additional model types to this same location and assigning them to the same person, all you'll have to do is just assign the new asset numbers and again save that information once it's done. Once you've completed the transactions, simply synchronize the data back to the main database using Passport's desktop software, and that'll complete everything and put all the new information on the main database.